What's that, YouTube? It's Dragonstory2, and today I'm going to do a reaction video of Teen Titans Go. I haven't done this before, and I like Teen Titans Go, but then it gets a little bit weird. So let's go see what's going on. What's Who is this? This Sonic. Ugly ass robot. Bro, look at his eyes. The Trapezoid has eyes. Look at this purple. Look at this purple ass. So, uh, go to the nets, not sit in the rock. Bruh, this thing have been living there. And why is there a crack on the T-Tides tower? That tower could fall in no time. Then zigzag ass line. And what's wrong with the sun? It's damn. Okay, let's get out of your hair, boy. I'm out of getting your ugly mohawk head looking ass. Batman, Spider-Man, mask head looking ass. Look at your ears. Bro. Dang. This is background, guys. Bruh, you're the only guy without powers, so it's just make you lonely. It's sad because you only use a staff as a weapon. Dang. That's really sad. The Power Ranger looking ass, boy. Them grinding ass accordion mouth at teeth looking ass, boy. Dang. Yeah, black hair, you're white? Okay. I mean, to you guys, this might not make sense. You have black hair, you're white. Okay. That's just, yeah, toaster waffle head looking ass, boy. Let's keep going. Okay, we gotta go on your case, boy. You're living in your cape. You can't live, you're supposed to live in the house, not in a cape. I'm on a guy, your ugly semicircle eyes looking ass, boy. Bro, we're a mouth. Look at her mouth, guys. Okay. Let's continue. Bruh. You look really so creepy. Like you're on some demonic stuff. I'm serious. You look like you're so pissed off. What have got into your day, girl? Dang. Them ugly Harry Potter wizard looking clothes. Boy, dang. Okay, we're out again in your case. Them sunburn highlighter skin looking ass. Them ugly bubblegum looking hair looking ass, boy. What's wrong with your eyebrows? Them small apostrophe ass eyebrows. Your eyelashes? I never knew eyelashes could be that big. They're like some scissors. And your eyes. Your eyes looks like you're on drugs. I'm kind of serious. Bruh. Dude, what is wrong with your neck? Is your neck trying to detach from your head? Boy, I'm about to get your ugly elf from the shelf. Ugly ass looking ears. Them noodle ass arms. Supposed to live. You're supposed to go back to Terran, wherever that planet you call. It's supposed to not be Earth. You speak your language correctly. At least you can now. Boy, you've been mutated. That's why you're looking green. Dang. You have noodle arms too. Bro, look at his hair. I'm about to get on this seedweed leaf bark nesting looking ass. Dude. Your eyebrows should supposed to be like that. Them long ass eyebrows. Are you trying to make it number one sideways on your eyebrows? Oh god. Dang. What's that on your shirt? I bet it ain't no Transformer. Alright, go. I ain't no Power Ranger. Why you got one tooth with your attached with your mouth? Dang. And your ears, the ugly ass elephant ears. Okay, YouTube. This was you can turn to animal. That's you ain't human. You're an alien here. The pole hunter ass nose. All right, YouTube. Let's keep on going. Dude. Okay. This will be fun, Cyborg. This dude ain't even strong ass crap. He put body pieces. His dad put body parts on him. He put body parts so he can be strong. You ain't toughest. You say I'm the toughest man, but you ain't. Dude, transform Power Ranger looking ass, but bruh, you're black. You're supposed to fight, not have armor. Oh, whoa. I mean, like, you have armor. You're supposed to be black and fight, throwing his hands. Instead, you put parts in you so you can be stronger. Oh my god. It's supposed to be, bruh, act black, not act white. Half human, half robot. Dang your eyes. And look at you, looking creepy, suspicious, looking yourself, boy. Look so suspicious. Why are you even suspicious at? Where are you even looking at? I can tell if you ain't looking at the audience or at your teammate, boy. Oh my god. You have the sideways number one on your eye.